Let me take you to a day in my life schooling edition. So time check around 6:15 in the morning. So not a lot of people know but I drive myself to school all the time. And naatay sugaton guys sa tugbo. He's one of my closest classmates. There you go, the weather is so good. And kuya kay sundo. And that's Giancarlo. Kuya wag barog mura mag kanang nangundok good. Haha. So this is my school place, St. John Paul II College of Davao, located at Ecoland, Davao. And yun, that's a complete detail. Oh, John Paul College of Davao. Yeah. By the way, it's Saturday. Arrived there at 7:15 in the morning. Then mag-start among klase mga 7 a.m. Tud alas 10 na sa gabi eh.
Meron sa sulod sa campus.
Ano mi guys, nabot mi guys.
Dapatan ta mo kung mo ipangkatulog ko.
Masaka na po mi guys. We don't use elevator because it might stuck. Ay, nanagid mi sa ikalimang palapag. Guys. So, hello. Hi, good morning. Ayan, namin sa among room. So, our first subject was salesmanship. And those kids are busy memorizing the lyrics of St. John Paul II hymn. Unya naman na guys, alas 4 paguna sa hapon good oy. Pero grabe na gyud kay medyo pressure na mi ana guys kay. So nag 7:30 na lang ana guys, mga mag 8 na jud gani siya sa morning, wala pa gyapon ang amo ang professor. So these are my classmates. So say hello. Actually kana akong gina-zoom in nga girl, kana siya si Gozon mo na siyang pinaka-bright sa among room. Kami na dyan nag-provide sa mong kagalingong fan kay kung na may fan duhara dyan na kabuok diha sa among room. That's a very hot humidity cause it's almost a lunch hour. So natingaman na among professor no nganong we keep on humming during sa iyahang class. So while waiting sa time to get out, so she's giving us a time to sing the hymn. Ay, nakapante man. lagi. Yung labanan guys kay mga boys. So it's exactly 2 p.m. and we're waiting for our English na saba kay inter-campus due to this game. It's our English proficiency program subject. So naga-check na sad mi guys og midterm exam. As you all know, it's our fourth subject on this day.
Much of the meeting was over by the time.
Happy ang mga tanan
Hello guys! I'm very very happy because walang NSTP, wala ko naka-memorize ng aming team sa school. So, thank you, Ginoo.
Kay cancelled man ang tanan sa NSTP among pag-memorize sa him. Tanaw na lang sa amigduwa sa gawas. So 2 hours po na siya guys kay every subject 2 hours man among subject. That's 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. na subject ang NSTP. So mo ni siyang mga ganap namo guys while wala may prof. 5:30 na siya sa hapon guys, sumura namig mga abat diha og mga wakwak kay nag-iyahay namig katulog sa room. Gipamalong namong suga para ma-feel gid namo ma-relax sa among mga brain cells kay ang uban kay nag-dinner pa. So nanam sa among next subject ana guys kay it's about 6 p.m. naman. IT lab na sad ang sunod. So another 2 hours langan jud mo kaon. AA. At that moment wala pa man si sir namo sa among IT. So mo na nag-vlog daw ko kunhay na. So kapoy pud siya mag voice over no. Nami anak sa gawa sa IT laboratory. Finally, naabot na jud si Sir Ken. Ang murara jud na mo classmate nga professor, Wailabad. We're not allowed to get inside pamanggod sa laboratory unless ug maabot jud among professor, so that's why we keep on waiting outside. While waiting for our next activity,
Siya guys, dula lang siya guys. Klase ko na guys.
Pata na daw.
Ano guys na.
Oh my God! Sino to? Ano to? Laro? Playtime?
Boss Patrick.
we're done na guys sa amo ang IT laboratory and we're getting back to our classroom for the last subject. IT gihapon siya pero more on discussions na. So that's 8 p.m. and yun, nagamuni-muni sa ako sa roof deck. Kay same man gihapon among professor si Sir Ken. So another 2 hours na pod para sa IT gihapon. At these are medyo gamay na lang jud mi sa among last subject no kay nanguli ng uban. Sa tinuod lang katulugon na jud bitaw ang tanan, but then laban lang kay twice a week raman pod mi magkita ay since naman mi mga work. Yan antok na among baby boy. Finally natapos na din yung class. So uwi na kami guys. Ayan, guys. We're gonna go home. Ayan, homework. Guys. Ulit kami. Natapos din. Ulit na sila guys. Tapos na guys. Ang klase guys. Okay, muli kami guys. Kaya medyo layo-layo kami tulian. And there you go. And nakit ang journey sa Jamco. And there you go. That's it for today's video. Kay it's almost 10 PM na good. Thanks for watching guys. Manguli na mi. Oh yeah, mag voice over lagi ay. Bye-bye. Amping tang tanan guys. And always remember, laban lang sa kinabuhi. I hope this video makes you inspired guys. Bye.